In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate LinkedIn Sales Navigator with Salesforce. This integration can significantly enhance your ability to identify leads, cultivate prospects, and ultimately close more deals. Now let's dive into the process and make sure you have everything set up seamlessly. To start, open up Salesforce and look for the gear icon. Once you find it, click on it to bring up a drop-down menu and then select Advanced Setup. This is where you can access a variety of Salesforce settings and configurations. Next, you will see a quick find box at the top. Use this box to search for LinkedIn Sales Navigator. As you type, suggestions will start to pop up. Select LinkedIn Sales Navigator from these options. When you're on the LinkedIn Sales Navigator page, locate the Sales Navigator integration toggle. It's important that you switch this toggle to on. This step is crucial as it enables the connection between Salesforce and LinkedIn Sales Navigator, allowing the two platforms to communicate effectively. After you've turned on the integration, scroll down until you reach the section titled Connect Salesforce to Sales Navigator. Here you'll find a link labeled Go to LinkedIn Settings. Click on this link and it will take you directly to LinkedIn. On the LinkedIn side of things, you'll need to log into your account. Make sure that this account is the one associated with your Sales Navigator subscription. Once you've logged in successfully, you're all set on the LinkedIn end. Now let's shift our focus back to Salesforce. Head over to the Salesforce App Exchange. This is a marketplace for Salesforce apps where you can add a multitude of features and functionalities to your Salesforce environment. In the App Exchange search bar, type in LinkedIn Sales Navigator. As with the previous searches, suggestions will appear as you type, so click on the appropriate result once you see it. With the app in view, click the Get It Now button. This will initiate the installation process of the LinkedIn Sales Navigator app within Salesforce. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you follow the on-screen instructions carefully. These prompts will guide you through the installation, ensuring that it's properly configured to your needs. After you have followed all the instructions and completed the installation, you will receive a prompt confirming the successful integration. At this point, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator and Salesforce are officially connected, making it easier for you to capitalize on the synergy between these two powerful tools. By completing these steps, you will be well equipped to leverage LinkedIn's extensive network directly within your Salesforce platform, bringing extra efficiency and precision to your sales strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.